I literally got zero friends, TK, which is why I went to on Omegle yesterday to socialize to see how I hold convo with strangers. And I got to know I make so many faces in just a second, and that what my school teachers used to tell me. But I was like, bro, come on, like you are do you now. So reason I'm actually going today, by the way, and I got a little cramp on my neck area, so gonna just have a little massage, and then I'll go to get ready and take shower. नामा स्प्रे लागबे ना. एक तो मैं वीक में 2 दिन जिम क्या चली जाती हूँ, पुशअप वगैरह जितना दुनिया एक्सरसाइज है मैं सब करके आती हूँ, एंड उसके बाद मेरा हालत पूरा टाइट हो जाता है. आस्ते आस्ते आस्ते. People wanted me to vlog, but I feel like I kinda got bad doing vlogs right now, and I have zero idea how can I bring back, not actually bring back, how can I bring a comeback on YouTube, because it's been probably 7 years now that I have gotten nothing from YouTube, bro. Like I remember I got 150 rupees through a ad reel shot. Nothing then. Nothing. It's just I love. This is how you do things, right? I just love creating, and I'm gonna create despite of what I'm getting. So never wait for results, because if you wait for results, you'll have this thing in your heart कि you're doing for something, and I do not do for something. So it's just me. मुझे मेरा मम्मी अपना नाइटी पहना दिया क्योंकि मुझे पूजा करने बैठना था, एंड मेरा मेकअप ऑलमोस्ट डन हो चुका है. अभी कुछ और लगाना बाकी. आई थी मैं बहुत गंदी लग रही होगी, पर लुकिंग सो वियर्ड ब्रो. आई एम ऑल सेट गाइस. नाउ आई एम गोइंग heading towards the car. I'm already running late, and I'm wore a क्या कहते हैं heel sort of thing. I don't know where heel usually. I wore this. It's my grandma's from Thailand. और वो सब तो ठीक है भाई, ये तो ना ईंटा जैसा है ना, ये पहन के मेरा पैर में दर्द हो रहा है अभी से. I was told to enter at 12:30, but I told I'll be coming late because it's already 11 o'clock, and I think by this time there will be a jam sort of traffic will be there. So hoping I reach as soon as possible. I don't think so I'll be, because
Our story reminds us that entrepreneurship is not just like, because we are Indians, we have to like to do jugaad. So I then started creating videos and started telling people what I'm telling. Because I'm not going to worry, I'm not worry, I'm not going to I'll tell, but I'll do it because I have zero like that thing. Na, look at people talking ego, but nothing. What is ego? You have to build something only then you have ego, right? Without, if you don't know how, if no one knows you, what do you have to do? Like the study was the only part I feel like कि সবাই ওটাই বলতে পড়াশোনা না করলে কিছুই হবে না. But actually আমার ফ্যামিলি ওনাকে জব দিতে দিয়েছে, আমি জবও পেয়েছি, এর জন্য হ্যাঁ বলতো না. Until and unless then only they realize कि okay, I'm not having fun because I left partying, I left hopping around every week, every month. And then only like they saw कि okay, I'm focused on something I'm doing. And yeah, maybe that is the reason they allowed me to do something like that. But having a strong mindset on that thing is very important. Don't just have a huge team and they do not know anything. They are just like waiting for when the founder will tell me what to do. And our छोटो team, I have only telling that you won't do anything can help you sometimes boost your ego. In that way, if you utilize today has truly motivated all of us. Actually, model they do not even use it. Not everything they are using, right? So they're not going to use it after all, obviously, like in that way. So I thought one. आपका कैमरा था उसमें. हेलो.
Every night, every night, every night, how we paradise, paradise. Now we are heading towards Tata Bondi because I have never had the biryani before. I think I had it, but it was like they brought in our house. So it was actually like, I want to try sitting there. Although I'm looking quite exhausted, but I loved how they arranged everything. Even I'm looking a little dull, but it's fine. It was worth it. I finally made it to Dada Bodhi, guys, and now I'm having some fish, and later I'm gonna have some biryani as well. The fish is very fresh, I kid you not. Finally,